Okay, love bugs, my kids are officially on spring break, which spring break is different when you have homeschool kids opposed to like in-school kids, because I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. It's almost like they get to stay home, but they're already at home. We get to break the routine of having to be up in the morning. I don't know, but we have an entire agenda of fun things that we are going to be doing, and I'm gonna be able to do it in style. So today I teamed up with UNiCE, and they sent me over this beautiful 7x5 by knots lace wig. She comes pre-styled with the beautiful curved side part, a pre-styled bang, which comes reserved or preserved with a nice roller intact. She has beautiful layer and curl to her, so this is literally the epitome of being able to put it on and go. In addition to that, we do have an upgraded cap. There's a drawstring in the nape, which makes the wig a lot more glueless. There's the upgraded adjustable band in the middle, which is nice and thin now so that you don't feel it as much. And then we also have the medical grade anti-slip technology. We have the 3 strips here at the crown as well as around the perimeter of the nape. That's gonna make the wig sit on your head nice and comfortable, but also give you that grip you need so that it does not slip or slide back, especially as it warms up, especially here in California. I'm gonna do a very simple and easy beginner friendly install. We're gonna touch up the curls, add a little bit of baby hair for my own little personality here. I'm also gonna show you how I tint the lace and what I use to make it super flawless. So if you want to see how I got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. All we be is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
Late night, city light, put a bass in my heartbeat. We gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at nights, feeling low. The vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high. Let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high. Let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. This my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night.
Okay, Lil so we are done with the look. As always, Eunice never disappoints. This one here is a beautiful curved side part upgraded wig. She comes with the upgraded drawstring in the back, which makes it super simple and easy to get a glueless fit. We have a pre-styled wig. It came with the curls, the layered cut, as well as the bang. We even get to keep the roller, so that way like tonight I can take and like re-roll this piece to kind of just keep it so that you don't have to continue to like recurl it every day and get that heat damage going on with the hair. The hair is nice, soft, bouncy, and voluminous. And then we also get the anti-slip technology inside with the 3 strips here as well as in the nape that will keep the wig intact and in place. Even the adjustable strap in the middle or inside is nice and thin, which is also an upgrade to this unit. And we can't forget the fact that in general, this is just a pre-everything cap construction with the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. So literally, you guys see with your own eyes, you can literally put it on and go and literally be ready in a few minutes, especially as we have like prom season, then it's going to be wedding season, and even just spring break and all of the things. This is a great wig to rely on to order, get it home, and to be able to install without having to worry about getting it professionally installed. And then when you don't get it installed and when you install it yourself, the icing on the cake is that you're more likely to be able to maintain it by yourself, which is always important. And that is pretty much it for this video. As I mentioned, this one here is a 7x5 by knots lace wig in the length 20 inches. I'm gonna have any additional details listed and linked, and as well as a direct link to this wig in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.